Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss with you one important aspect of IELTS reading, or we can say that it's the biggest problem of many students. Many students, they are able to find the location. Many students say that, sir, I can find location, but after finding the location, I cannot make accurate judgment. मुझे पता नहीं चलता लोकेशन ढूंढने के बावजूद I am not able to find the right answer. So here I am taking one example of blanks, where I will discuss you how to find the location, and after finding the location how can we find the answers. हमें कौन कौन सी बातों का ध्यान रखना होता है to find the answer. आंसर भी वही होते हैं but we are not able to search them. They are hidden somewhere. आइदर वहाँ पे सिनोनिम यूज़ हुआ होगा या कुछ और वर्डिंग यूज़ ही होगी, but we are not able to understand that, so that is why our answers are mostly get wrong. So we have to find the synonyms, we have to find the parallel language or different words. So I show you here that how you can find exactly the right answer. So watch this video from beginning till end, because this video is going to be fabulous for you. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to find out the main keyword to find the location. So let me read here to find the keyword. The brown hare is well known for its ability to run fast at speeds of up to 70 km per hour. So look at this word 70 km per hour, because this word is easy to trace in the passage. The numbers, the dates, the years, they are easy to find. So it will help us to find out the location. So in the paragraph B, I have already found this 70 km per hour. Okay. So I got this keyword. It means that my answer will be in this paragraph. It may also be possible that some answers may move to the next para, maybe in the next para. So what is the strategy over here now? It doesn't mean that if the keyword is here, all the answers will be in the previous line, like from in addition, I will find all the answers. No, it doesn't mean that. What we need to do is we just move to the beginning. We should start reading from here till here. Then we will find all the answers. And it is also possible that what thing is, okay, maybe the answer of 37 and 38 blank may be ahead of answer 39 and 40, or maybe 39 and 40 answers before 37 and 38. It's not like that they will be in order. Their order may be changed. Mostly student think that answers in the blanks are in order. You will find first, then next, then next. As you move on reading in the passage, you will get your answers, but it is not always accurate. So now let me find the answers for you. So we have to read it again. The brown hare means something like rabbits. In Hindi we call them khargosh. The brown hare is well known for its ability to run fast at speed of up to 70 km per hour. Okay, largely due to the length of its legs as well as the unusual size of its heart, an increased amount of blood also gives it the necessary dash to continue running fast for some time. So before the blank, the word is necessary, and there is also blood. It means that we have to find these two words or running in the passage. There our answer will be located. So let's go and search over there. Moreover, the unusual size of its heart. All these are our keywords. The brown hares have a number of physical adaptations. Adaptations means they can change themselves, that enable them to survive in open countryside. जो ब्राउन हेयर होते हैं उनके पास बहुत सारी फीचर्स हैं. दे कैन चेंज देम सेल्फ in order to survive, in order to live in countryside area. They have exceptionally large ears. that move independently so that a range of sounds can be pinpointed accurately. उनके बहुत बड़े बड़े कान होते हैं जो इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं, इंडिपेंडेंटली मूव कर सकते हैं। ऐसे नहीं कि दोनों कान एक ही तरफ मूव करेंगे, अलग अलग तरीके से वो हिलते हैं। एंड दे कैन दैट ए रेंज ऑफ साउंड्स कैन बी पिन पॉइंटेड एक्यूरेटली, वो अलग अलग तरह की आवाज़ें सुन सकते हैं। पोजिशनड हाई अप ऑन देयर हेड्स, द हेयर्स लार्ज गोल्डन आइज गिव देम 360 डिग्री विजन। जो उनकी आंखें जो होती हैं वो सिर के बिल्कुल ऊपर होती हैं और they give them 360 degree vision, making it hard to take a hare by surprise. So compared to mammals of a similar size, इसी साइज के जो और जानवर होते हैं mammals जो अपने बच्चों को दूध पिलाते हैं, they are called mammals. Hares have a greatly enlarged hearts. उनके बड़े बड़े दिल होते हैं and higher volume of blood in their bodies. तो उनकी बॉडी में बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लड होता है, ब्लड वर्ड वहाँ पे हमें मिला था, इन देयर बॉडीज़, एंड दिस अलाउज फॉर सुपीरियर स्पीड। इतने ज़्यादा ब्लड और बड़े हार्ट की वजह से उनकी स्पीड बहुत तेज होती है, दे रन फास्टर, सुपीरियर स्पीड, एंड दे हैव स्टेमिना। ओके, नाउ आई एम कमिंग बैक टू द ब्लैंक्स क्वेश्चन। हियर an increased amount of blood also gives it the necessary dash to continue running fast. So running fast, okay, here is running fast, and here we have word superior speed, and after that stamina. So this word stamina and superior speed on running fast, they are given together. So our answer should be here like an increased amount of blood also gives it the necessary stamina to continue running fast. Running fast, superior speed, and the word stamina we need to write here. So answer is stamina. Okay, I am writing here 37 is stamina. So this is the easiest way. How I found the answer. I found blood, I found running fast, synonym superior speed, and in this way I decided that there should be other word which is not given here. Okay, next is a running hare resembles means looks like the dash more closely than its relative the rabbit. इसका हिंदी में क्या मतलब है कि रनिंग हेयर जो खरगोश हेयर जब भागता है तो वो इस तरह की चीज़ जैसे लगता है ज़्यादातर, बजाय कि अपने रिश्तेदार रैबिट्स के जैसे दिखने की बजाय। वो रैबिट की तरह नहीं दिखता भागता हुआ, वो इस चीज़ की जगह दिखता है। वो क्या चीज़ है जिसकी तरह वो लुक लाइक। सो हेयर आई एम फाइंडिंग दैट वर्ड ओवर हेयर नाउ। इन एडिशन, यहाँ पे देखें, इन एडिशन देयर लेग्स आर लॉन्गर देन दोज ऑफ ए रैबिट। उनकी रैबिट्स के बजाय उनकी लेग्स लॉन्गर होती हैं। अनेबलिंग हेयर्स टू रन मोर लाइक ए डॉग। तो रिजेंबल्स मीन लाइक, एंड देन वर्ड इज अ डॉग। सो वी गॉट आवर वर्ड। तो आंसर शुड बी हेयर डॉग, रिजेंबल्स लाइक डॉग, more closely than its relative. Next question. The hare has some other characteristics. Characteristics means features, गुण, that help it to avoid capture. हेयर के पास और भी बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज़ होती हैं जिससे वो पकड़ा नहीं जा सकता, उसको भागने में मदद करता है, that cannot be easily caught. The first is its excellent all-round dash. तो सबसे पहले इसके पास एक बहुत ही शानदार ऑलराउंड क्या है, डैश। उन ऑलराउंड दिस इज द की वर्ड ऑलराउंड। ऑलराउंड मीन्स ऑल राउंड, फ्रॉम एवरी साइड। एंड इफ यू हैव स्टडीड मैथमेटिक्स, द सर्कल इज हैविंग 360 डिग्री एंगल। द थिंग्स दैट आर हैविंग 360 एंगल, दे कैन लुक ऑल अराउंड एवरी साइड. So we can say that 360 degree vision. So what 360 degrees here? It means all around. If you search for all around in writing, you will not be able to find that. So 360 is all around here. And next word is vision. So our answer should be here, all around vision. Okay, this means that predators cannot easily creep up. इसका मतलब ये है कि हमलावर शिकारी जानवर वो इजीली उसको उसके पास नहीं आ सकते पीछे से धीरे धीरे करके रेंगते हुए. अनदर, क्योंकि वो जो हेयर है उसको उसका 360 डिग्री विजन है, वो पीछे भी देख सकता है. Another feature is its ability to position its massive dash. So word is massive. Massive means big, large. And next word is separately. Separately means independently. So now we have to go behind. Usually we say that for first answer we found here. Next answer we found dog here. Then we found third answer the backside. We have to return behind, and the last answer is much behind. So we are going to, they have exceptionally large ears. Large means here massive, and independently means separately. So word is separately mean independently, massive mean large. So after that we have ears. So our answers are complete. So what we did, friends, we did few things. Like we have to find word, this is a blank, we have to find the word before the blank, after the blank, and then we have to think on these words. What can be the synonyms or other words for this? Then we will go to the passage, we will find the words that can better express these two words before and after the blank. These words can be adjective or adverb. If it is after, after the verb, this is adverb, or before it can be adjective or noun. And this is the way to find the answers. I hope that the way I told you, you might get understanding of that. It's my, I'm helpless because I have to use both languages, English as well Hindi. So please cooperate with me. When I totally speak in Hindi, then the people who can't understand Hindi, they get irritated. And when I totally speak in English, then those who are not able to understand English well, they complain me. So now I have decided that I will use both languages. Moreover, this is IELTS exam. I think you should watch those videos where we speak totally in English. Then you will be able to improve your level of English. Thank you for watching this video.